How to translate a website on iPhone. To translate a website on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Safari on your iPhone. Then, open the website you are finding difficult to translate. After that, tap on the icon beside the search bar. You will see a menu appear on your screen. From here, you need to tap the Translate to English option from the menu. There you go, you have translated the website successfully to the language you understand. Tap on any article from the browser. There you go, you can see the website has automatically translated the article. You can access this feature for other websites as well. You just need to follow the same procedure. By following these simple steps, you can easily translate a website on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.